eating in my classroom?
I'm sorry. I was just hungry, Ms. Matilda.
Now I know why food keeps disappearing. You've been eating everything.
That's not true. I only had one granola bar.
One granola bar today. Who knows what else you eat when no one's looking?
I wasn't even stealing anything.
Hey, you there! Quit moping and come check this out. Watch this. Loop-de-loop.
Amazing. Did you build that yourself?
Yep, every piece. I'm Forrest, by the way.
I'm Rudy. That thing is seriously cool.
Someone has been stealing from the reward shelf. Rudy, stand up now.
But I didn't take anything.
Empty your backpack right here in front of everyone. You probably already ate them all. Detention after school.
So unfair. Being alone like this, for a parakeet like me, it's the worst thing in the world. I'll tell you why, but don't skip this part, okay? Everyone already left me alone today. Don't you leave too. We're flockbirds. We eat together, sleep together, fly together. Always in groups of dozens, sometimes hundreds. And yes, we have to eat a lot due to our fast metabolisms. We also chatter all day long with our flockmates. It's how we stay connected. Without that, a parakeet can actually get really stressed and sad. A parakeet separated from its flock will call out over and over, searching for anyone to answer back. And right now, nobody's answering. No Miss Matilda around. Maybe I can actually eat in peace today.
You think you deserve to eat here with everyone else?
Ms. Matilda?
Until you learn some self-control, you eat in the hallway, alone.
Hey, Rudy, why are you eating out here by yourself?
It's nothing. I just felt like sitting here today.
It's my birthday. I brought cupcakes for everyone.
How generous of you, Mabel. It should be safe on my desk until it's time. The cupcakes, they're all gone? Rudy, you couldn't help yourself, could you?
I didn't. I was outside the whole time. Ask anyone.
Apologize to Mabel right now.
Those were for everyone.
Did you see the fundraiser table? Those cupcakes look insane.
Yeah, I'm staying far away from those.
Oh yeah? Then let's have fun with this.
Whoa, I'm doing it. It's actually flying.
The fundraiser cupcakes. All of them? Rudy, the fundraiser cupcakes are gone. Every last one.
What? I've been out here the whole time.
Save your excuses. You're coming with me.
That's not right.
Rudy? What happened?
Mom, I didn't steal anything. I swear.
Your son's a thief. Food goes missing, and he's always around.
As principal, I'm considering expulsion. I'm sorry.
Ms. Matilda was lying. But why? No way. She's eating the food? All questions will be answered tomorrow, Ms. Matilda.
That little boy makes the perfect scapegoat. No one will ever suspect the teacher. What is that thing?
Hey, Ms. Matilda. Smile. You're live right now.
Live?
Forrest?
This is nothing! Those aren't... I was just cleaning up.
Ms. Matilda, my office, now. Good morning, everyone. Miss Matilda has something she'd like to say.
I was the one stealing the food. I'm sorry.
Ms. Matilda is no longer employed at this school. And Rudy, we owe you a sincere apology.
I appreciate it, Mr. Logan. Thank you, Forrest. You didn't have to do all that.
That's what friends are for. Now come on, let's fly her again.